Hi, I'm Chef Jaffi, and for today's episode, I'm not reporting to you from my kitchen. I'm reporting to you live from my balcony because it's raining. The awesome is really awesome. Just perfect to have something nice and comforting, something really warm. And you guessed it right. I'm going to make myself a fudgy chocolate brownie. Let's get inside the kitchen. We're going to make our brownie and enjoy it in this perfect weather. Now, I'm sure you've tried hundreds of chocolate walnut brownie. Or if you're a little experimental, you would have tried a coffee flavored chocolate brownie. But I'm dead sure, absolutely dead sure, कि आपने कभी नाम ही नहीं सुना of a peanut butter sandwich chocolate brownie. It's an invention that I've just come up with. It's a recipe for you. It's amazing, and I'll tell you why it's amazing. Just imagine a gooey, a fudgy chocolate brownie filled with a sweet, salty peanut layer right in the middle. Just imagine the layers. वही बनेगा आज इस रेसिपी में। आपको बताता हूँ क्या करना है। सबसे पहले वी गोना मेक द फिलिंग फॉर इट।
I've got myself a glass bowl, and in this I'm going to add in my peanut butter. Now this is a little sticky, it'll take some time to come out. Now after you've got all of that out, I'm going to add in some powdered brown sugar. This is khand, so you can use that or you can use regular sugar as well. Now this has to be creamed together and it's going to come together and it become like a cookie dough. Just keep mixing in, it's very simple. I'm using a flat spatula today for this purpose. Our filling is all ready. Now I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator for later use.
And now we get into making the brownie batter.
I've got myself an empty bowl and in this I'm going to add in my soft melted butter, और इसके बाद I'm going to add in my soft melted dark chocolate. धीरे धीरे we're going to mix all of this together, the chocolate and the butter, just emulsify all of it together. Look at how shiny our chocolate is, looks so inviting, so tempting. I'm going to add in our sugar. I'm using some brown sugar again today in this recipe. You can easily replace it with white sugar if you please. Keep whisking, keep stirring and keep adding your eggs. Your chocolate brownie is gonna come out amazing. And as a general principle, we always add vanilla essence to a recipe that has eggs. So adding a little bit of vanilla essence to our brownie batter. And now comes in the flour. I'm going to gently sprinkle a little bit over the batter, slowly and steadily, just combining it by cutting and folding, making sure that the flour is not added in one batch but in multiple batches so that it's easier to combine without forming any lumps. Gently just cut and fold, cut it from the center, pull it towards you and use the flat spatula. So your batter is ready. It should look as tempting as this.
Our chocolate brownie batter looks amazing. I've also got my oven preheated to 170 degrees Celsius and my cake mold lined. Now I have to assemble all of these ingredients together. The peanut butter mixture is in the fridge. I'm going to get it out now.
And there's a peanut butter sugar mixture. It looks so much easier to handle because we have kept it in the fridge. The butter hasn't melted. It looks just great. And here comes my 1 kg cake mold which has been lined. And in this I'm going to pour in half the brownie batter. You could use the same flat spatula to spread the batter to the corners of the mold so that our brownie is even and level after it's baked. Now comes the interesting part where we layer our brownie. I've divided our sugar peanut butter mixture into small balls and flattened it with my hands so that it looks like sheets, and these sheets are going to be layered in our brownie. Just make sure you divide it evenly across all the surface of the brownie. It's okay if you want to overlap a little bit, but I'm not going overboard with the peanuts. We want to have a nice balance of the sweet and the salty and the butter and the sugar. Make sure you go right to the corner, kone tak, we have the peanut butter and the brownie sandwich. Our layering looks complete. Now I'm just going to pour in the rest of the brownie batter into this cake mold. Make sure I go right to the corner and again flatten it with the spatula.
And now comes the fun bit. I'm going to use some of this leftover peanut butter mixture to garnish our brownies, and it's a very fun garnish. Basically, I'm going to roll it out very thinly into vermicelli. इसके अंदर हम लोगों ने just if you want to sprinkle a little bit of maida, you can sprinkle a little bit of that. Otherwise, you can just roll it between your thumbs or your fingers and make it as long or as short as you want.
Now while you're handling our peanut butter sugar mixture, you will realize that it's extremely brittle. There's nothing really to bind it together. So I'm just using the fingertips and my thumb to just gently press it together. The final thing we need to do before we bake our brownie is to garnish it. I've got myself a bowl full of chocolate chunks. These are going to be sprinkled around generously over the top. It'll be absolutely amazing when these melt. They'll give a very nice texture to our brownie. Once you're totally satisfied that there is enough chocolate in your brownie and on your brownie, we are going to add in our peanut butter vermicelli that we just made. I'm just sprinkling these very randomly across the top surface. And just for a little bit of nuttiness, I'm going to add in some pumpkin seeds. These will add a little bit of texture, color and awesomeness to our brownie. Again, you can be as creative and as liberal in putting these on your brownie. Gorgeous looking brownie batter is going into the oven at about 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes.
ब्राउनी तो बेक हो गई है, सबसे मुश्किल काम है वेट करना. जस्ट आई कैन सी इट बट आई कांट कट इट. After about 20-25 minutes, the brownie has sort of cooled down on a cooling rack. I've got my knife ready. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to show you how it's looking from the center. अंदर की लेयर दिखानी भी तो जरूरी है ना. Just looks amazing, doesn't it? I'm telling you, it smells bloody amazing. वैसे कोई अगर सर्वे हो ना टू सी व्हाट्स द बेस्ट वे टू सर्व अ ब्राउनी, 10 में से 9 इंडियंस बोलेंगे भाई गरम ब्राउनी के साथ ठंडी ठंडी आइसक्रीम अच्छी लगती है. तो उसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अ प्लेट ऑफ माय पीनट बटर सैंडविच ब्राउनीज सर्व्ड विद एन आइसक्रीम.
And here I am all set to assemble this baby. I've got a piece of brownie which has been warmed up, and I've also got a chocolate chip cookie here which I've crumbled. There's also some chocolate sauce here. I'm going to put a little bit of chocolate sauce on the plate, and on that I'm going to sprinkle some of our cookie crumble. On the far end, I'm going to place our warmed up chocolate peanut butter brownie. And once we're really ready to serve, I'm going to get my scoop of ice cream and place it on the cookie crumble. There you go. That's our dessert.
And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That was my version of the brownie. I'm going to go in the balcony and enjoy it in this awesome. Abhi jaiye, try out this recipe. Have it with the ice cream, have it without the ice cream. Either way, it's amazing. I'm Chef Jaffy. I'll be back again next week with another interesting recipe. Until then, खाते पीते रहो, मस्त रहो और स्वस्थ रहो. Bye bye.